Hey, what's up guys? Today we're gonna do the install of this light bar from American Modified, and it comes with all the bolted areas and some wiring to do. Let's get started. Alright guys, so the first step for this install is gonna be removing this, and there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pop-ups. So once you remove all of them, this should come out easily. Now the next step is going to be removing the bolts that are needed, and we are going to work on these two and one in here. Let me show you guys a bit. So it's gonna be that bolt and these two right here. Let's get to work. All right, so you're gonna use a 10mm, and you're gonna remove these. So once those two are removed, you're gonna remove the one that is right here, and that should also be a 10mm. All right guys, next thing we're gonna do is remove this. So you're gonna squeeze all 4 sides and push out, and it should come out. You're gonna go ahead and unplug it from here. It's gonna be this little push pin, and disconnect it. Alright guys, so the next step is removing this light. I'm gonna use this tool to remove it. You're gonna want to go right here, play with it a little bit, and then push. And that's gonna remove this bolt or push thing. And you're gonna pull out the wire like so. The last thing you're gonna do is put these two back, the one back there, connect this, put these two, connect the one back there, and this is how it should look.